So after this storm, this little spackle thought it was trying to get plastic off these green things. Look, I'm real close to it. It's getting the meat out of those shells. Look at this. He's standing on it. He's already got a bunch of meat off of it. Somehow those shells got stuck to that, and he's eating the meat out of it. Pretty smart. He just breaks it open with his beak. Tears it open, twists it, just like an oyster or something. Clam. Obviously, that's what it is. I'm just saying it's pretty spectacular. Pretty amazing. I think it's a spackle.